Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming which device and app are creating the alert so you don't disable the wrong thing. Once you know the OS and app version, make a quick backup of notification rules or jot them down. That lets you restore preferences if needed. Then open Settings and go straight to Notifications, or launch the offending app's in-app preferences to access its notification controls. This ensures you begin with the correct context and prevents accidental global silencing of important alerts. Now you take specific actions. Decide if you need to mute just the sound, hide banners, or fully disable notifications from the app. For apps with channels or categories, open each channel and set it to silent or off so you keep essential notifications while stopping noise. For system-level alerts, modify critical or emergency settings cautiously. Instead, create a scheduled focus or do not disturb profile so alerts are suppressed during chosen hours. Make sure to test one change at a time to confirm the exact effect. Finish by validating your changes. Trigger a test notification or use the app's preview to confirm silence. If alerts keep coming, inspect related accounts, browser push permissions, and any third-party notification managers that may re-enable alerts. Once done, restart the device to apply system-level changes. If problems persist, reinstall the app or reset notification settings. Only use that last step after documenting your current configuration so you can restore what you need. One key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.